Excel templates are a great way to increase your productivity. These will allow you to create awesome layouts with Excel, even if you only have the basic understanding of spreadsheets. You can use templates for your next project. Use Excel templates for budgeting, tracking your business expenses, planning out your meals, or creating employee work schedules. There are plenty of templates to choose from. Simply customize your existing template and you are all set. Let's go ahead and take a look at a few examples. Okay, so here we are in Excel, and let's go ahead and take a look at our templates. To locate your templates, let's go File. Let's go ahead and say New. And here you will get a list of available templates. Now let's go ahead in the space provided. Let's go ahead and type calendar. Okay, and here you get a variety of calendar options to choose from. Next, let's go ahead and type inventory in the space provided, and let's see what templates are available. Okay, and as you see, we have quite a few lists of inventory selections that we can choose from. Next, I want to go ahead and type the word budget, and let's see what Excel comes up with. As you can see, Excel gives us quite a variety to choose from. So once you have located a template that you would like to work with, just go ahead and simply click it for the download. Now I have already downloaded a personal monthly budget report that I would like to use for demonstration on this video. So let's go ahead and go to the budget template tab and let's take a look at the template we have downloaded. So as I look at this template, I need to decide what are some things I would like to change. First of all, I would like to go ahead and get rid of this picture. I'm going to left click and then I'm going to simply delete it because I don't need it. I will change the word personal monthly budget to, let's just say Udemy monthly budget. I would also change the color. So let's go ahead and reselect cell B2 again. And let's go up to the Home tab, the Font group, and let's get the drop down for our font color. Let's go with the darker blue. Now I want to point out that you have formulas located in your totals. So you want to be careful not to make any adjustments to these fields. So when I click on cell C7, you will see the formula inside of C7 that is calculating cells C5 and C6. So most of your total fields do have formulas, so you want to be careful not to disturb the formulas. You are free to make adjustments to the background colors, but as long as you don't change the contents of the cells, you won't disturb the formulas, okay? So continuing on the things that I would change as I look at this template, I would also change the color of my headings because it's a little bit light. And you can do that by simply selecting it. Now, if you wanted to do multiples at one time, you can go ahead and select the first one, hold your control key down, select the second one. You want to continue to hold your control key as you select the remaining headings. Okay. Just go ahead, hold your control key down, scroll through, and just go ahead and grab the headings as you scroll. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab pets, gifts, and donations. Let's grab personal care and legal. All right, so now that we have them all selected, let's scroll back up. We can go ahead and release the control key at that point. And let's go ahead and get the drop down for the fonts. And I want to go with the same color blue that I did for the Udemy monthly budget. So I'm just going to go ahead and click it. And as you see, as I scroll through my worksheet, the updates have been made throughout the spreadsheet. Okay. Now, as I continue to look at this spreadsheet, I need to decide what else I would change. I'm not completely crazy about this light shading in my total fields. And I think I would like to go with a dark blue that'll kind of complement my headings. So what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to select the first one. And again, as long as I don't change the contents, I'm free to go ahead and update the background. So I'm going to go ahead and get my drop down from the fill bucket. I'm going to change it to a dark blue. And now I'm going to go ahead and update my font color. And let's go ahead and make that white. Now I need to do the same for the remaining fields with that light color shading. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to grab them just like I did for my fonts. I'm going to grab the first one. I'm going to hold my control key down. I'm going to continue to scroll and I'm going to grab the shaded areas as I move throughout the spreadsheet. And the reason we're doing this is because I want to demonstrate to you how you can make multiple updates at one time. So let's continue to just go ahead and hold the control key and grab the shaded areas as we move throughout the spreadsheet. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, so now that I have all my information selected, I'm going to go ahead and scroll back up to the top. And I'm going to go ahead and get that drop down blue, which is already selected. So I just need to change the color and then change the font. And as you can see, my updates have been made throughout the spreadsheet. Okay, now you are free to go ahead and make updates to your categories. This information is changeable. See, I can just go ahead and say income 12 or income 2 but I just want to demonstrate to you that these fields are changeable. So feel free to make changes there. You can change the figures and it'll update the calculations. So let's go ahead and say 5,000 here. Now, so when I enter this information, I want you to pay attention that the updates are made over here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and say enter. And as you can see, the annual projected difference have changed. And let's go ahead and let's check the extra income. Let's say 1,500. So you can see this information has changed as well. These formulas are already included in the template. So you don't necessarily need to be an expert at Excel to use these templates because the layout is done and the formulas are already included. So it's a great tool to use on your next project. So again, feel free to make adjustments to the categories and the figures. I'm not going to do that because this is just for demonstration purposes, just to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video, but go ahead and continue to play with this spreadsheet and see what other ideas you can come up with. Okay. And so with that being said, I hope this information was helpful and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, so that wraps up this video. Job well done today. Be sure to save your work and then celebrate your accomplishments. Great job!